Hi everyone who loves to crochet. Today I want to show you how to make a spring headband in just 1 hour. It's made with my favorite stitch pattern. I love it because it's very easy and quick to work, and it's perfect for beginners. By the way, I already have a video on my channel where I show in detail how to crochet this pattern, and I added the link in the description box. So let's get started. So our first step is to make a foundation chain that when stretched matches your head circumference, 56 or 57 centimeters. So let's start. Make our foundation chain as usual. So I did 70 stitches, and let's see. So now I stretch it, and I have 56 or even 57 centimeters. That's what I need. So now let's join the chain with a slip stitch to form a ring. Like this into our first stitch. And make a slip stitch like this. So now let's start our first row. Make one chain stitch, and into the another one make a single crochet stitch, then chain one, skip one stitch, into the next one make also single crochet, then one stitch, skip one, into the next single crochet stitch, then one stitch, skip one, and into the next make a single crochet. So in such way you should do your first row until the end, and I'll meet you there. So let's finish this row 1. So I made one single crochet and a stitch. I have one stitch, I skip it, and now in our first stitch we should make a slip stitch like this, then chain one, and now we to start our row 2 we see these spaces between our stitches when we skip this one. So one space, another, and now we will crochet in these spaces. So let's make our first single crochet in this space like this, then again as in the previous row, one stitch, then in another space single crochet, a stitch, then another single crochet and a stitch. So we will crochet only in these spaces like this. It's very quick pattern and very simple. So again in this space single crochet and then a stitch, another space and a stitch. When you stretch it you will see it, these spaces between our stitches, and you will continue this way until the end of the row. So I finished this row, and let's close it off together. So we have our last space. I'm making it single crochet and then a stitch, and our first stitch we make as usual slip stitch to close it off. So let's start a row 3. So a stitch, Then we have our space, and we continue as usual as row 2. So make a single crochet, a stitch, then again in space single crochet, a stitch, and continue this way. So as you see, it's very quick pattern and I love it very much. And please write in the comments, do you like it or not? So this row 3 we continue as usual as the previous row, and we will close it off together. So we finish our row as usual with a slip stitch like this, and start as usual. So a stitch, then we have our space, and make single crochet, a stitch, then again single crochet, a stitch, single crochet, a stitch. So we continue working until the headband reaches the desired pins. So you just keep repeating this pattern, and then I'll meet you there. So I worked 10 rows and that's enough for me. Let's see how many inches it is. So it's about 3 inches. You can do any width that you wish. So now all that's left is to cut the yarn and weave in the ends. So let's do this. I cut my yarn and close it off like this, and then I just weave this end in this way, as usual we do in other projects. And just cut, and this also we can weave in. And cut. So just look at it. Now you can really see this beautiful pattern, and I love it very much. This is my favorite pattern. Well friends, we finished our 1-hour project, a spring headband, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to like it, and see you next time. Bye!